Hi, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech, where your geeky grandpa talks tech, product reviews, space, and travel, and even more. Listen, today I'm going to be talking to you about phone holders. Particularly one brand that I particularly like is the Ulanzi phone holder, the ST-06. It's a multi-use phone holder. I'm going to be reviewing that today. So before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the little bell button so you don't miss any of my shows. And let's get started right now. So one of the things I like about this, of course, is it's got a lot of features in a phone holder. One of the things, of course, is that most of the phone holders are fixed. And this one has an angle adjustment, so you won't have to put a ball head on your tripod. It just puts it right in there, one step, making it a lot easier to use. Now, another thing, of course, it has a cold shoe on the top. So whether you put a light, a microphone, and it's angle adjustable, so you can put your phone horizontal or vertical, whichever you like, makes it a very simple product to use. Now, that being said, of course, it has two 1/4-inch 20-thread tripod screws, which can be used for all types of equipment. Very, very simple to use, very, very easy. And now, of course, because of that 1/4-inch mounting screw, it can be mounted on various types of tripods or handles or stabilizers. Now, I like Ulanzi products. They just kind of really, really work well and make things very, very simple. So let's continue. So here's your phone holder. Very lightweight. And you have right here your cold shoe. You have right here, you have your 1/4-inch screw for mounting. On the side here, you have your adjustment, so you can bevel it. And of course, you have your phone holder. And you can see here, it does have pads that are curved to give a better grip. Now, when I first looked at this, I thought that you would open it by pressing the button, and it's sneaky in that way. On the side here, you can probably see it, there's a little button, and you press that button to open it. Now, what's nice about it is, like I said, you can have a tripod mount. I'm going to take a mini tripod really quick, put it on there. And I like this particular one by Xanadu because it's it can become a handle, but can also become a tripod. We'll get in, but that's just another product review. Now, like I said, right here is a little adjustment. So when it's mounted, you can move this back and forth, which makes it nice if you mounted it permanently, mounted on the floor, mounted on a tripod, and you want to get an angle. It's good. I'm going to tighten that up real quick. Now, the one thing about all of the phone holders that I find is that you've got to make sure that it is secured. Unlike, let's say, something like this, which is spring loaded, right? This one is click mounted. What I mean by is when you push down, it's going to hold. So if I take my phone, this is an S20 with a large case to protect it, and I put my phone in there, you have to give it an extra couple clicks one more time. Otherwise, when you shake it, it can come out. And that's the first thing I noticed when I put it in there. I gave it a light click and it just slid right out. So make sure that you do that. So all in all, it's a very nice product. You can get it for about $14. So I do highly recommend it. I'll be doing a review on using your phone for movie making and all the tools that you could possibly use on lighting, brackets, stabilizers. So look out for that video. So until next time, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell so you know when I'm on. Put your comments on this. Do you like the product? Do you own the product? And what other products would you like me to review? So till next time, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech out, and you have a wonderful day.